Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2018 Mathematics Past Question 30. Calculate the area of the trapezium below. Now we're given a trapezium and we're to find the area of this trapezium. The options are A 360 centimeters square, B 256 centimeters square, C 180 centimeters square, and D 120 centimeters square. Now this is a trapezium given to us, and we know that the formula for finding the area of a trapezium is equal to what? Half multiplied by A plus B in brackets, close brackets, multiplied by H, which is the height. Now I'll explain what this A, B and H represents. Now this line here is your what? Is your A, and A is equals to what? 9 cm. Now this line point here from here to here represents what? Represent B, and B is equals to what? B is equals to 21 cm. Then the H here is your height, that is 24 cm here. So this is H, which is equal to 24 cm. So the area of trapezium is equals to half times A. Now our A is what? 9 centimeter. So we put 9 plus B. Our B is what? 21 centimeter. So 21 close bracket, then multiply by H, which is the height, and the height is what? 24 cm. So 24. So this is equal to 1 all over 2. 9 plus 21 will give us what? 30. So multiply by 30 multiply by 24. Now this is equals to what? This is equals to 1 times 30 will give us 30 times 24 will give us what? 720 all over what? This 2 all over 2, and this is equals to what? 360 centimeter square. That is 1 times 30 will give us 30. 30 times 24 will give us 720 all over 2, and 720 all over 2 will give us 360 centimeter square. So this is the area of the trapezium. Now from the option, you see that option A corresponds to our answer, which is 360 centimeters square. The other options are wrong. So option A is the correct answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos.